Hey Josh, this is Sarah Casper with Fruitful-SEO. I shot you over a message via LinkedIn and also sent one over to Patrick, who said that you would be the correct person to talk to about this. What I'm shooting here for you today is a little bit of a comparison between you and your competitors in terms of SEO. Just to kind of the reason that we put out these videos and that we give all this information for free is we know that there's a lot of SEO people out there, and not everybody really knows what they're talking about. So we want to provide value to you up front. And if you can take this and implement it yourself, or if you'd like to work with us, just shoot me over a message and we'll get something set up. But without further ado, here we go. Cool. So here, the UR, this is how powerful your site is. DR is how trustworthy it is in the eyes of Google. You have quite a few backlinks, not quite as many referring domains, a few organic keywords, but not a ton of organic traffic coming through. To compare, we have Joyland Roofing doing quite a bit better on how powerful they are and substantially better on how trustworthy they are. This is because they have a lot more backlinks and a lot more referring domains and a lot more keywords. As you can see, this is driving up quite a bit more traffic for them. And then over here we have Greenwald Roofing. They are pretty trustworthy, pretty powerful, many backlinks, lots of referring domains, lots of keywords, and doing even better in terms of traffic coming in. So what we would want to do is I can click into here and to kind of power up and boost up the trustworthiness of your site, we would want to go through to all of these backlinks that they're getting and make sure that you're getting the same or better backlinks. As you know, not all backlinks are created equal. As you can see, some of these, the DR for these sites is very low, so they don't count for much. But others, like this one, is from 72. That's going to be boosting them up quite a bit. So we'll want to go through each of these and get you listed with all of them, and then maybe get you listed with a few more to really push through that ceiling and get far enough ahead of them. The other thing I wanted to recommend to you was to take a look at citations. Running a compare, you're a little bit behind Joyland Roofing and quite a bit behind Greenwald Roofing Company. Citations are anywhere on the web where your business name, address, and phone number show up. Think like a phone book type of thing. And very similarly, we would want to go in, make sure that we get you listed for all the same sites to boost up your credibility, and that will really boost up specifically your Google Maps, to make sure that your Google Maps is the first thing that people see when they're targeting those keywords that you're wanting to rank for. Lastly, I want to touch a little bit on content. So it looks like you have some pretty good content here. We want to make sure that we're leveraging 15,000 words per page and definitely using some keywords. I see you've got some in here. But I would like to see a few more that are more specific to your area. So instead of roof repair, maybe roof repair in Lancaster or in the Pennsylvania area, just to really target that specific area. So when you have a buyer that's typing in, this is pretty general, so it could end up pulling roof repairs from all over the country. We really want to make sure we're targeting roof repairs in your area so that you are pulling in people that are much more likely to use your services. And lastly, we want to make sure that we're saving all of our images with those buyer intent keywords. So if I were to go and save this image here, this is okay, Moser Roofing, but you might want to do something, like the roof repair Lancaster, to continue pushing up and to continue validating yourself in the eyes of Google for those key terms. All right, well, that's everything I have for you today. Again, if you like what you saw, you can reach out to me, and we can set up a deep dive meeting, kind of take a look at your goals and the keywords that you want to be pulling traffic in from, and make sure that we're really fully utilizing all the backlinks that we possibly can, as well as all the citations we possibly can. Thanks so much. Hope you have a great day.